So this video discusses how we can multiply numbers. Let's say we have the number given as, let's say 2, 5, let's say 2, and the terms, let's say 4. Now, how do you think we should have the multiplication of these numbers? So in this case, we should have to present this being given as, now have it as 2, 5, 2, and the times, we should have 4 here. So have to draw the horizontal line in that way. Then we'll have to start multiplication. We'll have 4 times 2, that is given as 8. So we'll have to present 8 here. Then 4 times 5, that is given as 20. So we have 20. So we're going to put 0 and adjust below this. So we're going to have 0 here and keeping 2. Then we'll have 4 times actually 2, which is given as 8, and 8 plus 2 we have it as 10. So in this case we'll have 10. We'll have to present 0 down here and we'll have 1 at the end. So this is the solution. So how about, let's say, if we have this, how do you think we can have the multiplication of this number? Let's say we have 5, 2, 7, let's say 4, and let's say 5. So how do you think we should have this? So now this is the same as having it as 5, 2, 7, 4, and the times 5. So we'll have that, and we'll have to present this line. Now we'll have to multiply everything by 5. So we'll have 5 times 4, that is given as 20. So we'll have 20. We'll have to present 0 and keeping 2. And I will have 5 times 7, that is 37. 37 plus should be 35, and 35 plus 2, that will be given as 37. Now of which you have 37. So on the 37 we'll have to present 7, keeping 3. And in this case we'll have 5 times 2, which is 10, and 10 plus 3, that is given as 13. We'll have now a number given as 13. So have 13, and now we'll present 3 and keep 2, actually keep 1. Then we'll have 5 times 5, which is 25. 25 plus 1, that will be given as 26. So this is the solution. How about, let's say, if we have something like this? Let's say if we have 9, 2, 0, 5, 1, and let's say times, let's say it should be 6. So how do you think we can have the multiplication of these numbers? So in this case, this is the same as having it as 92, 0, 5, 1, and that should be times 6. Principle remains the same, where we'll have to multiply everything by 6. So in this case, we'll have 6 times 1, that is given as 6. And the 6 times 5, we have it as 30. We'll present 0 and keep 3. And the 6 times 0, that is 0 and plus 3. We'll have it as 3. And the 6 times 2, that is 12. We'll have to put 2 and keep 1. And the 9 times 6. So what is the 9 times 6? So in this case, 9 times 6 is given as 54. And 54 plus 1, that is given as 55. So this is the solution. So here is the exercise for you. Try to have the multiplication of the following numbers. Let's say we have, and that should be 9, 8, 9, 2 times, let's say 7. And we should have, let's say 1, 0, 2, 2 times 9. We should have, let's say, should be 4, 5, 7, 6 times 8. And let's say you should also have to try this 9, 9, 7, 4 times, you should have it as times 9. So try to have the multiplication of those questions. And now how about if we have this kind of a problem? Let's say we have 2, 5, 2, 4 times, let's say 12. Now, how do you think we can have the multiplication of the, these numbers? So in this case, this is the same as having it as 2, 5, 2, 4. And the times, since we have two numbers here, now we'll have it as 1, 2. Like that. And we'll start multiplying everything by the first number, which is 2. Then we'll upon having multiplying everything by 2, upon having multiplied everything by 2, we'll also have to multiply everything by 1. We'll have that. So let's start with the 2. So we'll have 2 times 4, that is given as 8. So we'll have 8 down here. And we'll have 2 times 2, that is given as 4. So we'll have 4 here. And we'll have 2 times 5, that is given as 10. Now we'll have 0 and keep 1. And we'll have 2 times 2, that is given as 4. And 4 plus 1, that is given as 5. So have this one as that. And also we'll start multiplying everything by 1. So we'll start with 1 times 4, that is given as 4. Now we'll press it here. And 1 times 2, that is given as 2. So we'll have 2 here. And 1 times 5, that is given as 5. So we'll have 5 here. And 1 times 2, that is given as 2. So we'll have 2 here. So as you can see, we have, multiplied everything by 2 and also everything by 1. Then we need to present the line here. We need to have, our solution, or we need to have our solution within this space. So we need to present addition here. We should have to add these numbers. So as you can see, there is nothing here. So in that point, you should have to present 0. So have, 8 plus 0, that is given as 8. We have 4 plus 4, that is given as, should be 8. And we have 0 plus 2, that is given as, should be 2. We have 5 plus 5, that is given as 10. Or actually put 0 and keep 1. And now here we also have a 0, much as there is nothing, and that will be in line with the 2. So have 0 plus 2, that is given as 2. And the 2 plus 1, we have it as 3. So this is the solution. And also think about this. How do you think we can have this? For instance, let's say we have this kind of a case. Let's say we have 9, 5, 2, 4 times, let's say, should be 25. So how do you think we can multiply these numbers? So in this case, this is the same as having as 9, 5, 2, 4, and that should be times 25. Then we are going to multiply in the same way. We start with 5. So 5 times 4, that is 20. We'll put 0 and keep 2. And 5 times 2, that is 10. And 10 plus 2, that is 12. We'll put 2 and keep 1. And 5 times 5, that is 25. And 25, plus 1, we have it as 26. We'll put 6 and keep 2. And 9 times 5, that is 45. And 45 plus 2, we have it as 47. So have 47 here. Then we'll multiply everything by 2 as well. So have 2 times 4, that is 8. So we'll have it as 8 here. 2 times 2, that is 4. And 2 times 5, that is 10. We'll put 0 and keep 1. And the 2 times 9, that is given as 18. And the 18 plus 1, that is given as 19. Like that. So as it stands here, it means here there is a 0. And also here there is a 0. So in that case, we'll have to add these numbers like that. And 0 plus 0, we have it as 0. And 2 plus 8, that is 10. We'll put 0 and keep 1. And 6 plus 4, that is 10. And 10 plus 1, that is 11. We'll have 1, keep 1. And 7 plus 0, that is 7. 7 plus 1, that is 8. And 4 plus 9, that is 13. Now we'll put 3 and keep 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1, and plus 1, that is 2. So this is the solution. And also, how do you think we can have this as well? So how do you think we can have the multiplication of these numbers? Let's say we have this. Let's say we have 4, 5, 6, 2, let's say 7, and it should be terms. We have, let's say, 96. So how do you think we can multiply those two numbers? So in this case, this is the same as having it as, should be 4, 5, 6, 2, 7 times 96. So have 6 times 7. What is 6 times 7? We have it as 42. We'll have 2 and keep 4. And as 6 times 2, that is 12, and 12 plus 4, that is 16. We'll put 6 and keep should be 1. Then 6 times 6, that is 36, and 36 plus 1, that is 37. We'll put 7 and keep 3. And 5 times 6, that is 30, and 30 plus 3, that is 33. We'll put 3 and keep 3 as well. Then 4 times 6, that is 24, and 24 plus 3, that is 27. We'll have that. Then we'll have 9 times 7. So that is given as 63. We'll have 3 here and keep 6. We'll have 3. We'll put 3 and keep 6. And the 9 times 2, that is 18. And 18 plus should be 6. What is 18 plus 6? We have it as 18 plus 6. By the way, 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6. What is 18 plus 6? Can you try to have that? 18 plus 6. That is 24. So in that case, we'll put 4 and keep 2. And 6 times 9. So what is 6 times 9? So that is 54, and 54 plus 2, that is 56. So put 6 and keep 5. Like that. And how about, 5 times 9, that is 45, and 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 5. So 45 plus 5, that is 50. So put 0 and keep 5. And how about 4 times 9? 4 times 9 is given as 36. 36 plus should be 36 plus 5. That is 36 plus 5. So what is 36 plus 5? So that is given as 41. We'll have 41 here. So bear in mind that this is the same as having 0 here and also having 0 here. Like that. And we'll add the numbers. We'll have 2 plus 0, that is 2. 6 plus 3, that is 9. 7 plus 4, that is 11. We'll put 1 and keep 1. 3 plus 9, that is 3 plus 6, that is 9. And 9 plus 1, that is 10. We'll put 0 and keep 1. 7 plus 0, that is 7. Plus 1, that is 8. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. And 3 plus 1, that is 4. 0 plus 4, that is given as 4. So this is the solution. So try to have the multiplication of the following. Here's the exercise for you, and try to write it. Let's say if we have 2, 5, 4, 5 times should be 67. And also try this. Let's say we have 6, 1, 0, 2 times, let's say 27. And you should also have to try this. Let's say 7, 9, 9, 7, 0 times, let's say should be 29. And let's say we should also have this. Let's say 8, 8, 8, 8, 9 times, let's say 57. And we should also have something about this. Let's say if we have 7, 7, 8, 9, 9 times, and there should be, we should have it as 99. So try to have the multiplication of those actually numbers. And how do you think we can have this? Let's say if we have 5, 7, 6, 4 times, let's say 2, 3, 5. How do you think we can have the multiplication of these numbers? So principle remains the same. Now we have 3 numbers, unlike the way we actually had it before. So in this case, we have it as 5, 7, 6, 4 times we have 2, 3, 5, like that. So we'll start each number one by one. So have to start with the 5, and 5 times 4, that is given as 20. We'll put 0 and keep 2. And 5 times 6, that is 30, and 30 plus 2, that is 32. We'll put 2 and keep 3. 7 times 5, that is 35. 35 plus 3, that is 38. So put 8, keep 3. 5 times 5, that is 25. 25 plus 3, that is should be 28. That is 28. Then we'll go for 3. 3 times 4, that is 12. We'll put 2, keep 1. 3 times 4, that is 18. And 18 plus 1, that is 19. We'll put 9 and keep 1. 3 times 7, that is 21. 21 plus 1, that is 22. We'll put 2 and keep 2. 3 times 5, that is 15. And 15 plus 2, that is 17. So have 17 here. Then we'll use 2. 2 times 4, that is 8. So we'll have 8 here. And 4, actually 2 times 6, that is 12. We'll put 2 and keep 1. 2 times 4, that is 14. 2 times 7, that is 14. And 14 plus 1, that is 15. We'll put 5, keep 1. 2 times 10, 2 times 5, that is 10. And 10 plus 1, that is 11. So have 11 here. Then in this case, we are going to add the numbers. So mind you, as it stands there, it means we have 0 here, a 0 here, and also 0 here. There is a 0, we have 0, and also there is a 0 here. So that is, we're going to add the numbers. So have 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0. 2 plus 2 plus 0, that is, should be 4. 9 plus 8, that is 9 plus 8 plus 8. So it should be 9 plus 8, that is, should be about, what is 9 plus 8? So we have it as 17. 17 plus 8. So 17 plus 8. What is 17 plus 8? So that is 25. We'll have 5, keep 2. Now 2 plus 8, that is 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14. We'll have 4, keep 1. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 7, that is 10. And 10 plus 5, that is 15. We'll put 5, keep 1. You know, 1 plus 0, that is 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1. And 1 plus 1, that is 2. And 2 plus 1, that is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is, we have it as 1 here. So this is the solution. So try to have the following. You know, try to have the multiplication of the following numbers. Let's say if we have 5, 9, 6, 7, 4 times 2, 2, 4. And we have, let's say, 4, 7, 1, 4 times, let's say, 3, 5, 2. We should also try this. Let's say we have 1, 0, 1, 1 times 9, 0, 2. And also try this. We have 2, 2, 5, 5, 7 times 67. And also try to have this. Let's say if we have 5, 6, 6, 6 times 77. Let's say 7. We should have 7 here. So try to have those actually problems. So next video will be the actually multiplication of the numbers given in words. So thank you all.